Hi friends, welcome to Learner Ansari Java tutorial. In this session, we are going to learn the use of final keyword. The final keyword can be used in three ways. We can use the final keyword with variable, with method, and a class. So let us understand the use of final keyword with a variable first. For example, here have a bank class that we discussed in the previous tutorial for inheritance and method overriding concept. The same example I'm using here. So here, let me make a final string region. Okay. So if you are developing a banking project for the region of Asian country, so Asia. So this is common for all the banks. Okay. So if you want to restrict this variable as a constant, we can declare it as final. So no one can modify it in future. For example, this is cannot be changed anywhere. So here region is equal to India. Now we have a compilation error because the field the field bank region cannot be assigned because once it is initialized that value cannot be modified. So this is equal to the constant variable in C++. So here instead of a constant keyword we are using a final keyword to make the variable constant. So as we are making this a final, this is good to give public access specifier because we know that we have already restricted the variable as final, so no one can modify it in future. So we can make it this public so that anyone can access this variable but no one can change the value of the variable. So as it is a final, we have to make it a static. So whenever we declare a final variable, this is good to use public along with static, because if you are not making this static, then what will happen whenever we create a object for a bank, each and every object of your bank class will have one final variable. If you are making it is static, then only one variable will be available for all the subclasses, I mean all the objects of a bank class. So this is always good to declare a final variable along with public and static. So let me repeat the variable. If you are using a final for declaring a variable, then once the variable is initialized, the value cannot be changed. It is constant. So now it is an error. Okay, let us understand what will happen when we use the final keyword along with a method declaration. So here in HDFC Bank, we are overriding the method rate of interest of bank class. In bank class, we have a rate of interest method that is overridden in this banking class. Already we have discussed what is method overriding in the previous tutorials. Here, if you want to restrict a method not to be overridden, then a method has to be declared as final. Now, final. Now this method cannot be overridden by the subclass of a bank class. So the order is not important. You can make a final before public, or you can give the public keyword after the final, after the public. So it doesn't matter. So now we have a compilation error in the subclass because rate of interest. Let us see what is the error. Yeah, overrides bank rate of interest cannot override the final method from bank. So if you are declaring a method as final, the particular method what is declared as final, that cannot be overridden. So I hope you understand what is the use of final keyword along with your method declaration. Now let me remove. Now there is no error. Now it's gone. Now what will happen when we make a class final? So public, it's a final class. So when we are making a class as final, the final class cannot be inherited to any class. Now we are inheriting the bank class. Now as we have declared a bank as final, a final class cannot be inherited. So we have a compilation error. The type HDFC Bank cannot be a subclass of final class bank. So there will be no subclasses for final class. So there are three uses of final keyword. One is making a variable constant, we can use a final. And when we are declaring a final variable, this is good to use public static. Otherwise, in method, if you want to restrict your method not to be overridden in a subclass, you can make a method as final. And if you want to make your class final, then your class cannot be inherited to any of its subclass. So that class has it should be a final. I hope you understand. Thank you for